Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We are given a two-digit number and sum of these two digits is 6. For example, the number is something like 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. If 18 is added to this number, digits reverse. For example, if it is 15, it becomes 51. If it is 24, it becomes 42. Something like this. Right. Now it becomes reverse. Now what is this number AB? In this kind of problems, when we are in number, first we have to write an algebraic equation. How do we write an algebraic equation? For example, the number is something like 36. The number is 36. What does it mean? 36, let's say if it is AB, 36 means 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Right? That means A into 10, A times 10 plus B times 1. Right? We have to write it like this. You cannot directly use AB. If you while writing an equation, an algebraic equation, because AB means A times B, A dot B. Right? If you write AB and try to solve it directly, then it means it is product of A and B. That means AB, if you try to solve it AB directly, then it means you are solving for 18. Rather, you should solve for 36. 36 is right. A is 3, 3 times 10 plus B is 6, 6 times 1. Right, we have to write the equation like this. Please note this. Whenever we are given numbers like this, two-digit numbers, three-digit numbers, if it is a number is three-digit number, for example, 963, A, B, C, it is something like this. Then we have to write it as 9 into 100, that is A into 100, A times 100 plus B times 10 plus C. Then we can solve for A, B, and C, right? Otherwise, if you directly write it as ABC, then you are solving for A times B times C, the product of A, B, and C. Right? Please note this. Now, here we are given a number something like XY, right? Or AB. Now, what is x plus y? X plus y is 6. The sum of the digits is 6. Now, when you add 18 to this number, that means what is the number? The number is actually 10x plus y, right? Xy means 10x plus y. For example, 36 means 10 into 3 plus 6 into 1, likewise. So 10x plus y is the number. If we add 18, then it becomes what? Yx. Yx means what? 10y plus x. Right, 63 means what? 6 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Right. So 10y plus x, this has become. So then this is the equation. This is the equation we should write. Once we write this, rest all will become direct. This, if you simplify this, 10x minus x, 9x, minus plus y minus 10y becomes minus 9y equals minus 18. X plus y equals 6. What does that mean? 9x plus 9y is 54. What does that mean? 2 nines. 2 9 plus 9x, 18x becomes 54 minus 18, 36. X becomes 2. If x becomes 2, y equals 4. So that means what? 24 is our number now. 24 is the number xy. What does that mean? Y x becomes 42. So 24 plus 18 is actually equal to 42. This is the number that we are looking for. The only trick here is to be able to write this equation correctly. Whenever we are given two-digit numbers like this, xy or ab, what that means is 10 times of this plus 1 time of this equals that number. Right. This is called base 10 notation. Right. Whatever numbers that we generally talk about, these are all base 10 numbers. There can be other bases also. For example, base 6, base 8, base 2. Computers use base 2 numbers. Right. These are binary numbers. 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. These are binary numbers. These are called base 2 numbers. But we all use all the numbers that we generally talk about, daily talk about. These are called base 10 numbers. Right. What is base 10 numbers? Whatever number of digits are there, let's say the number is 346. That means 3 into 10 power 3, sorry, 3 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 plus this is 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. Right? Because the number represents this. This is called base 10. base 10 notation. Great. If it is a four digit number, so for example 5346, then what does that mean? 5 times 10 power 3. This means 5 times 10 power 3. 5000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. Right, this is called base 10 notation. Right, guys? Hope you understood how to solve this kind of problem. Thank you, guys.